Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, body color door handles, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Are you ready?